Oh my god. Would you stop, Sally? Oh my god. Would you stop for this? This is also beautiful leg stretch. Oh my god, awesome. This is
No, what if your hand slip? Your face is gonna your head is gonna slam against the counter.
Water, if this I slip from here, you see my palm. If I slip, then I will dead. Dead meat. Probably I break my. Sorry, I got my period. Oh, teeth.
Then you're dead meat.
I don't go that far. This is much better.
Cause now I scared you.
Yeah. My shampoo came out. Oh my god, it's still coming. Sorry, can you turn the heat on? Stop, it's coming, would you?
Okay, so
I have a test and you are heavily hable. For what reason?
why'd you say it was coming?
This is you are making me distracting.
What? You're so cute. You're making me distracting. Can you sneeze? Just pretend to sneeze at least.
Sorry, please leave me alone. I have so many homework to do here.
Can you at least pretend to sneeze like?
Dang, I'm too cool. You made this?